how is y'all's portfolio hosted? Like, how are y'all able to share it to the world?
Yeah, I use Netlify. So I got my own domain. I got it from Google Domain. And then I just pushed everything up to GitHub and then connected Netlify to that. So it's hosted with Netlify free tier. So I don't pay for it even today.
I hosted mine on Surge. I didn't get a personalized domain. That was like on my to-do list, still my to-do list. But I use Surge. It's kind of like Netlify as well. It's like a front-end application. You can host it there. If it had a back-end, you could use like Heroku. But mine didn't have that change, so I just use Surge.
But I like how you didn't have a domain name. It didn't stop you for showing your work to a bunch of people. Like, you still were able to get it up online. I think that's really important because people like tend to stop because they can't get things perfect. And sometimes it's just about showing the work. I use Netlify as well. The first website I probably did was probably with GitHub Pages. Absolutely free. GitHub has very easy to follow tutorials. You're already using GitHub or maybe Bucket. The other ones I don't use. They've also probably... I've only used GitHub, so sorry. There's a few other ones.
There's like GitLab.
That's the one.
Yeah,
GitLab.
Yeah. So that's also like a way to do it. There's lots of free things. Like, building your portfolio should not cost you anything but your time. So if you could sit there one weekend, get that HTML, CSS going, and then throw up some images, you should be good to go.
Like, I'll also point this out since you mentioned like a weekend. If you don't know how to design a portfolio or how to even start, Traversy Media, he has so many great portfolio website tutorials on YouTube. Just follow one of his tutorials and bam, you have a portfolio site up that you can just deploy on GitHub Pages or host on GitHub Pages and share it to the world. Doesn't have to be complicated.
I love how you brought him up because I actually used his tutorials when I was starting out in my tech journey. And I loved like how thorough he was and how seamless his design is. It was like really minimalistic, but it does have some sort of essence when you put it and use it on your website.